Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add Discord link to TikTok. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Discord app, and at the top left corner you can see the three-line icon. Simply tap on that, and what you have to do is go to the server that you want by simply tapping on the icon like this on your left. Tap on it, and at the top left you can tap on the three line again, and at the top right you can see a three dot icon. Simply tap on it, and what you have to do is tap on invite right beside the boost and notification option. Simply tap on invite. Now what you have to do is tap on the copy link right beside the share option. Simply tap on copy link and your link will be copied. Now go to TikTok, open TikTok app, and at the bottom right go to the profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on the edit profile on this above. Tap on it. Now simply go to the bio and tap on add a bio, and here what you have to do is paste the link that you have copied. Simply in order to do it, tap and hold and select on paste, and what you have to do is simply save, and your bio will be saved, and in your bio there will be a Discord link. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.